Hello everyone, this is Pragya and recently I've started my YouTube channel Sew and Fun with Pragya, and on this channel I post sewing content, fashion content, stuff like that. In this video we are going to be making a holiday dress. It could be worn as a New Year's party dress or Christmas dress or whenever you want to wear. I'm just taking it as an excuse. This holiday Christmas New Year season, I'm taking it as an excuse to make this dress. So let's talk about the design of this dress and what it is going to be, or what is the plan as of now. Recently, I've been loving this drop waist, pasted waist kind of look. So I'm going to create this holiday dress with that thing in my mind. That will be the main focal point of this dress. I've been loving this burgundy dark maroon kind of look. So I got my fabric from KC Creations, and this was a good deal. And it came in like 2-3 days of my ordering it. So the shipping was very nice, very fast, and the fabric is also nice. Fabric I've ordered 3 meters, although I think I would need around 2 meters at max, but to be sure, let's have some buffer fabric. ओके तो मैंने यहाँ पे जो मैंने ड्राफ्ट किया था उसको मैंने आयरन किया, फिर उसके बाद मैंने इनर लाइनिंग को भी आयरन किया, एंड देन आई कट आउट द पैटर्न्स फ्रॉम द इनर लाइनिंग फैब्रिक ओनली, because I'm not too sure if like on how this pattern is going to turn out, because I was not too sure about my drafting. Like I'm not a bit sure about my drafting technique, so there could be some adjustments to make, so I don't want to mess up the main fabric. So I'm going to use my inner lining for the trial purpose. Hi, so what we have here is inner lining all done, just a zipper thing is left, and I'm not mad about it. What changes that I will make for the main fabric is obviously have a bit more of the gathering over here on the sides, and yeah, that's it. I think rest of it is okay, not too bad, it's all right. So we are on good track, and it's already, Alexa, what is the time right now?
It's 2:42 p.m.
So it's about to be 3 p.m. and I started it around 11 a.m. So we are 4 hours in. We are going good. We are going actually really good. Okay. So next I will drop my patterns on the main fabric, which is this one. This is the fabric. I don't know why it looks like that. Like seriously, here it's looking very sober. Oops. Sorry. I don't know why it is not like picking up the right shade. Well, on camera, anyways, camera doesn't pick the right shade. Like this is also not the color in reality what I'm seeing here in the camera. And definitely not this one. This is very darkish red. No, it's not capturing. It's camera में बहुत light लग रहा है, but ऐसे it's very dark, and I love this. I'm loving this fabric, and yep, we have loads of it. Hopefully, we make a good dress. So I took a little break, and now it's about to be 1 a.m. and I have cut all my main fabric, all the pieces except from the side panels, and now I'm going to sew them up. I have to admit, I do look little crazy right now with my dress over my PJs, but that's how it's looking. I like the fit, but as based on the pattern and given that my mannequin is a bigger size than me, I have this much uh, allowance at the back, and I'm kind of happy with it. Actually, I tried to have this because I didn't had that zipper buffer fabric there, so this is going to be very helpful in that situation. So I'm just figuring out where is the middle point where I'm okay with this, and where I will just mark. I'll try to create some kind of marking. Like right now I've clutched it through this clutch. I still think, like, even after that tightening at the back, I still think I need to take few inches in from this side, matlab from the sides as well, or maybe from this area. But that is something we'll deal later. And I also want to double seam these princess seams, so that it has some, it will that seam will give it some structure, although I'm not going to put any boning or anything. But yeah, so here we are on to the next part. Bro, I'm I'm like, I don't have words. Like, I'm so happy with how everything has turned out to be. Although it's not even, like, few things I need to fix that I can see in the mirror. And obviously, I have to add the sleeves, not the sleeves, just the straps. And then we can add this fabric to the inner lining. Although this fabric on itself is quite thick and good quality, so we could have skipped the inner lining, but inner lining makes the fabric makes the whole outfit um, more durable and of high quality. So I'm gonna make that. And obviously हमने तो पहले से बना रखा है, so why not just add it. यहाँ पर मैंने जितने भी मेरे को स्ट्रैप्स बनाने हैं उसके लिए मैंने स्ट्रैप्स बना लिए हैं. देन मैंने ये मेन फैब्रिक में जो मुझे एक्स्ट्रा डिटेलिंग ऐड करनी थी वो मैंने ऐड कर दिया है. एंड नाउ द थिंग इज, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि how to assemble everything. There's my main fabric, lining, straps, and this thing is also not totally attached. Like it's like this. इसका सिंगल लेयर मैंने इसमें अटैच किया है कपड़े में, और फिर मेरे को इसको ऐसे फोल्ड करके I have to make it look something like this. But how to assemble everything? मुझे बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो जा रहा है यार. समझ नहीं आ रहा what to do. Okay, let's figure it out. So what I'm trying to do is I'm basically trying to figure out center points or seams. Yeah, I'm just trying to align everything and see how this is going to work out. About the straps. Yeah, seems all right. So this is how it is looking right now, and I'm going to sew this full circle and we'll see how it is. I'm skeptical, I'm doubtful, but when I'm not, like. So for the moment of reveal, shit. मैंने स्ट्रैप्स गलत डायरेक्शन में अटैच कर दिया. Oh God, oh God, what do I do? Okay, let's see if everything else is okay. So there are some adjustments to make and clearly straps को तो वापस fix करना है, so that is one thing. And like from the front this is okay, but at the back you can see that at some places we are getting this lining is showing. So this is ugly. This is not what we want. From the inside it's looking something like this and from outside it's like this. Abhi next a plan of action would be to actually join this inner lining with the zipper and back closure of the dress, of the main dress, and then we just have to do the hem. So I think it will be just two things only. Yeah, and we are done. We are done. और मे बी मेरे को पहनने के बाद देखना पड़ेगा कि हाउ दिस थिंग इज लेइंग डाउन. आई एम स्टिल बिट अनसर्टेन, ऑल्दो मैंने आयरन वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं किया है ये सारी सिलाइयों को, तो मेरे को वो करना चाहिए था, बट आई एम लेजी. दैट्स इट, दैट्स द रीजन. एंड मेरे को आयरन करना नहीं पसंद. बहुत बोरिंग काम है आयरन करना. तो मैंने कुछ भी आयरन नहीं किया. इफ आई हैड आयरन्ड एवरीथिंग आउट देन थोड़ा बेटर रिजल्ट रहता, बिकॉज अभी भी यहाँ पे थोड़ा तो मेरे को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. आई माइट cut some fabric off this side so that it lays well. I'm okay with this. Only two things are there to do. Attach the inner lining with the zipper and the back closure, and hemming of the inner lining and the main fabric. And then we are done. We are done. So this dress is finally ready, finally done. All the detailed work and everything is finished, and I'm actually wearing it. I love it. I love this, how this has turned out. It's so pretty. It's giving holiday vibes and it's making me feel pretty, bubbly, fancy, all those things. So I'm so super pumped. I'm super happy with how it has turned out to be. Although I kind of burned it with the ironing. So sorry. Further ado, let's do the reveal of this dress. So that's it for this video. Thank you for staying till the end and coming with me on this journey of making this pretty dress. Do like, share, subscribe, comment, and tell me how you like this dress. Do you like it? Do you don't? Tell me in the comment section. See you soon with another dress in another video. Bye bye.